Here goes. I'm not sure if it's low tide right now.
I just wondered about the smoke because Marlboro or
I don't know how he's going to get it done on that small cigarette.
Look at the wind. Look how it's swaying.
Whoa. Jeez.
You have to wait till
Oh, so now he goes up higher?
I think he's got to get away. He's got to wait till these guys move this ball.
He's got to light up. Yeah, I was right. He couldn't outlast the cigarette.
Do you realize when he gets the weight off of this one's going to rock. This little one he's hanging from.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Hey,
Okay, here goes.
when this one comes down.
Jeez.
See
Yeah.
him rocking? I knew that's what would happen.
Whoa.
Because,
Good. Look at that.
I mean, he's hanging on a little toothpick now.
That's amazing. Online teaching is not as demanding. It's not as hard on you. Good God.
This is the big one that's getting ready to come down next.
Oh yeah. Whoa. Jeez, that one's huge. Here, I think I'll stop. Look at the wind. Okay, I'll stop for now. More part 2 of a guy in a tree.